Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology senior SQL database administrator for the company owners and miners. The location is Bangalore. The key responsibilities are excellent verbal or written communication skills and the ability to convey thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, strong attention to details, documentation, and organizational skills, and 8 plus years of experience with SQL Server integration services, and 6 plus years of expertise in SQL programming. And the experience need is 7 to 10 years. The second technology is Oracle DBA with Amazon RDA for the company Mindtree. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for knowledge in Sybase is a big plus of managing implementation of database upgradation and migration. And the third technology is SQL DBA for the company Conduent. The location is Bangalore. The key responsibilities are core competency, knowledge, and experience, in-depth understanding of technical technologies, extensive hands-on technical skills of covering installation, configuration, administration, and advanced troubleshooting is required. And the fourth technology is lead database administrator for the Fidelity Investments, location in Bangalore. They are looking for good understanding of replication technologies, good understanding on cloud technologies and relational data services, good understanding on DevOps tools and open source database concepts. And the experience needed 6 plus years of IT experience, and the education must be engineering graduate. The location is Bangalore. The fifth technology is senior site relatable engineer for the MS SQL GBA for the company Visa. The location will be Bangalore. The basic qualification must be 2 plus years of relevant work experience and a bachelor's degree, or 5 plus years of relevant work experience. The education must be bachelor's degree in computer science or other technology field is must. And the links will be given in the video description for these jobs. You can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.